Lumo, did you hear that? The wind is talking.
It sounds like someone is calling us.
Do you think it wants us to follow? Let's go and see. Wow! The wind is guiding us. Stay close, Pipi. This place feels spooky. Hold my hand. We will be brave together. Oh no! Something must be trapped inside.
We have to help!
We did it! If you like our adventure,
Please subscribe and join us!
why are the flowers so tired? Maybe they need fresh air. The field is alive again! Was that the wind talking? We got a magic gift! But the real magic is helping others. It's a blue stone, but it's glowing. Maybe let's find out where it came from. Lumo! What just fell down? Wow! Do you think it's magic?
I think it wants us to follow it.
This forest feels scary. Don't worry, Pipi. We are together. Wow. Wow. It really is magic. If you like our adventures,
Please subscribe and join us!
the river is dry. That's sad. Maybe the stone can help. The river is back. Yes, let's be brave. So it works because we helped. Because we cared. It's leaving. Yes, its mission is finished.